Makoko, the Venice of Africa, is home to an estimated 85,000 to 250 people living in makeshift watery dwellings. Now, across the city, more than 70% of residents live in informal housing, lacking access to basic services and infrastructure. This is Lagos in 2025, with over 22 million people fighting for space, and the prices climbing faster than these buildings. I mean, just imagine you moving to a city where finding a decent home is like finding gold. But here's the thing. In the middle of this housing chaos, some communities are quietly rewriting the rulebook. Currently, Lagos requires an additional 3.4 million homes. 3.4 million homes just to catch up. Can you imagine? Now, most people are renting, and for many, rent swallows half of the money that they make. So it is not just about shortage at this point. It is about how we are building, where we are building, and whether these places can sustain life in the long run. And that is exactly where smart communities come in. Now, at Urban Living, we've seen firsthand that Lagos does not just need more houses. It needs better designed neighborhoods where the roads drain, where the lights stay on, and where families can build a future. But before we get to that, let's talk about why the crisis is getting worse. It's very simple. The population is exploding. Land titles take forever. Building materials cost nearly double what they did last year. And here is a fact. Less than 5% of new homes are affordable to the average earner. That is exactly why people end up in overcrowded flats or informal settlements, because the market is not building for them. But smart communities, they flip the script entirely, because it is not just about selling land. It is about creating a living system from day one. Schools, shops, working roads, clean water, security, all planned in before the first family moves in. It's a model Lagos can't afford to ignore, and one we are already putting into action. Take Mega One Lagos, our grand project. Strategically located, built with durable infrastructure, and designed so that residents don't just live there, they grow there. Because at Urban Living, we are not just building a state, we're building tomorrow's Lagos today.